Another one? Yes, sir. Another blicky. Hell yeah, you know we need that, my boy. Okay, damn, this be hard to do so. Oh man, I gotta catch this beat. See that shit? What? That shit steady flash.
I had that block, I had that go. They did that talk. Left, right, no, I had beat that boy. I left him stop, he stopped like rock. These be hoes for sure.
I hit that ball, stop balling up too. Step back, no,
No, that shooting.
I got that deli ass sweet. Don't look.
No, like pull up, no, like buck. Top of the cut, and I'm gon' cut. I never lied to my goddamn king. Setting an example for my brother. They gotta know how to go, shit go. They gotta get a head start, though. Young nigga ain't never head start. I go straight to the top. By myself, by peeping a lot. No back.
Watching the people, watching they talk. Watching it go. I pop, they like.
But they like.
I watch a nigga tell why that I'm sound.
Down.
I get people, watch out lie on yourself.
Don't make that wrong move, I'ma blow. All of your talk, you know that ain't dormant. It's one caught in the head, know it loaded.
Know I deloaded it, know that it is noted. Run when the kids, you know that they safe. I get to the cash, it's under late. I make sure that my niggas straight. I love my niggas,
No
no
back.
back.
I'll pull up, I dress in all black, all black. Don't play with these niggas that fat. Niggas that lie, straight to my face. Thought he was straight, he'll touch my plate. I thought he was they funny by my head. But he cut, I had that black. I had that black, yeah, bend on that hoop. Yeah, I clip door jam. I see that clip, that shit see through. I already know that shit go jam.
Don't want your bitch even though she choosing, cause she still gon' be a hoe at the end.
I watch a bitch turn around for my friends.
Damn, I can't fuck with that shit. I true righteous, ain't no get that bitch. I cannot fuck with petty ass shit. I cannot match your note. I cannot match.
No, I
cannot
can't.
match your
No, I
petty
can't.
ass bitch.
No,
I cannot fuck with none of these bitches. Pull
No.
up again and he get a blessing. Blow that man, you know that is hitting. Wristed, wasted, know that's a fumble. I get it 2 times. That's goddamn. This is our first time broke my ass.
Lost by 10, but that's okay.
Oh, with that game, deep on zero rotation. That burnt like 3-4 times, 5 damn times. I'm so goddamn faded. In the clouds, I'm in the sky. Damn, I can't feel my face.